Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action broke out of the consolidation zone between the two yellow horizontal levels at 93,000 and 95,000, a range it had been stuck in since January 8th. But where did we land? The price dumped from 94,000 yesterday to the flash dip level of 90,200 from December 6th, with a quick scam wick down to 89,000. Now Bitcoin is rebounding back into the consolidation zone, aiming for 94,000 once again. Just yesterday, I analyzed the 2-week and 1-week heat maps. On the 2-week time frame, we spotted a fresh long leverage hot pocket at 90,000, while on the 1 week, there's a big short leverage hot pocket from 96,000 to 99,000. I said market makers usually clear the lower liquidity level first before the price moves higher. Today's 2-week heat map confirms this. The hot pocket around 90,000 has been fully cleared after today's dip to 89,000. The next target on the 2-week heat map is 96,000 and higher. The 1-week heat map tells the same story. Above the current price at 93,000, the leverage pockets get hotter, with the most significant area at 96,000. But billions of shorts need to be liquidated on the way up. Think of it like the game Slither or Worm Zone. You need to eat all the energy on the map to grow bigger. In this case, the market makers are consuming leverage to clear the way. It's a game, but it's all about money. In just the last 24 hours, $846 million in positions were liquidated. Of that, 639 million were longs, and 206 million were shorts. That's brutal. One of the highest 24-hour liquidation numbers I've seen this cycle. Stay cautious, add margin, and lower your risk if you're trading right now. It's dangerous out there. In my opinion, the next target is 96,000, with 99,000 as the level after that. On another note, Michael Saylor announced today that MicroStrategy acquired 2,530 Bitcoin for approximately $243 million at an average price of $95,972 per Bitcoin. As of January 12, 2025, MicroStrategy now holds 450,000 Bitcoin acquired for roughly $28.2 billion at an average price of $62,691 per Bitcoin. The big players are buying spot. What are you doing? Join my free Discord, like this video if you got value, share it with your crypto friends, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next update. And see you in the next one.